the secret of the cosmos, its nature. Nothing cannot be, for it has no properties. Therefore it cannot even be meant, and so it isn't an option. Therefore, since there is indeed something, the base uncaused existence is ever, this meaning that it is eternal and still here. It is the fundamental one. For if it had parts, then those parts would have been even more fundamental. Therefore the permanent one can only give rise to the basic temporaries such as electrons by rearrangements of itself. Yes, this seems akin to quantum fields, but perhaps not quite, as there are 25 fields all atop one another. This is all fine, but to go further we must suppose what the nature of the one could be. Since there would be no, when not any specific design could have been imparted to it, no cause,
no certain form.
Must it be a superposition of everything at once, such as in eternalism, or everything in some linear way, such as in presentism? We don't yet know the mode of time. Yes, not temporal and unconditioned, since eternal, and it perhaps has the ultimate likeness of being, as it appears to have to be the simplest possible in order not to be composite. A problem here to be resolved is that how could it be limited to be the smallest? What decided that, as there can be no deciding for the uncaused eternal? It seems we can also banish the stillnesses, which is kind of a cousin to nothing, since naught could happen if it were completely still. Movement has to be so far of necessity, ground of existence, movement, one, unconditioned, undesigned, eternal, simplest, causeless, energetic, permanent, forms temporaries of itself. The possible nothing, stillnesses, composite, designed, conditioned, temporal, infinite regresses. God, cause, doesn't do anything. Perhaps further clues to its nature can be found in the temporaries that the permanent spawns, as if it ever seems to have broken symmetry, as it being the perfect instability. The basic temporaries, such as the elementary particles, form in pairs matter and then deep matters, as well as the positive kinetic energy, or stuff countering the negative potential entity, potentially of gravity, overall, and war. The day something appears to be a something of opposites.